Introducing a new, faster way to cleanse your asset master data and optimize maintenance strategies utilizing Cordant Asset Strategy Services. Cordant Asset Strategy is a centralized and connected solution that allows you to efficiently build, deploy, and sustain optimized asset strategies at scale. Cordant Asset Strategy has a team of global experts that can support your transition to S/4HANA and ensure you can trust that data and execute with confidence. Cordant's integration and master data optimization services benefit SAP S/4HANA users by providing clean, accurate, ready-to-use data, providing optimized maintenance strategies developed or improved by experts, supporting increased production and attainment of financial targets, supporting higher confidence and accuracy of data, utilizing seamless integration with your system of record. This is a new integration capability for companies who want to quickly integrate their data from their S/4HANA environment into Cordant Asset Strategy, where the master data optimization work takes place. The solution is built using SAP's native Datasphere functionality. Now, rather than having lengthy implementations and integrations, customers can leverage Baker Hughes Datasphere or their own Datasphere account to process the data from their S/4HANA instances, including all key master data for asset management, such as functional locations, equipment record, maintenance plans, tasks lists, and many more very quickly. Once the data is in the Cordant Asset Strategy database, the Baker Hughes team of experts can now cleanse the data, optimize it, and create or improve the quality of the maintenance activities housed in the ERP system. Let's quickly talk through how the solution works. We'll start with the front end of SAP S/4HANA. Here we have a basic maintenance plan record. You'll see this as maintenance plan number 17, the mechanical inspection of a pump. All of a customer's SAP master data, just like this maintenance plan, can be quickly processed from S/4HANA directly through Datasphere. Let's see what this looks like in the Datasphere instance. In Datasphere, we've created replication flows, or CDSs, for all the core master data objects, from maintenance orders to maintenance plans like you're seeing here. These dozens of replication flows in CDSs allow us to process all of the key objects and fields that Cordant Asset Strategy needs in order to perform optimization and enrichment activities. From Datasphere, we can kick off these replication flows that take all the core data from S/4HANA and quickly move it into the Azure database that Cordant Asset Strategy leverages for customers. Let's show how the same maintenance plan record that we saw in SAP in the front end of S/4HANA has now been replicated using Datasphere into the Cordant Asset Strategy Azure environment. Now we are in Azure for Cordant Asset Strategy, and you can see all the tables that will display the same information and core master data that exists within S/4HANA. Specifically, if we dive into the maintenance plan table, we can show you the same record that we were just viewing within S/4HANA is now available within the Cordant Asset Strategy database. This is the maintenance plan 17 for that mechanical pump inspection we previously viewed. This replication from S/4HANA through Datasphere into the Cordant Asset Strategy database is possible whether we're dealing with thousands of records or millions of records for all of your core asset management data. Now, instead of having to go through custom integrations to leverage the Cordant Asset Strategy tool, Datasphere allows us to integrate quickly and get up and running with all the functionality of Cordant Asset Strategy in a matter of days or weeks. Cordant Asset Strategy Services with SAP S/4HANA helps improve asset reliability across operations, establish structured functional location hierarchies, and perform criticality assessments to prioritize maintenance where it matters most. This enables teams to reduce unplanned downtime, extend asset life, and ensure consistent operational performance. Reduce maintenance costs with smarter planning. Formulate targeted maintenance plans based on accurate asset data and criticality insights. This helps eliminate redundant tasks, optimize resource allocation, and lower total cost of ownership without compromising reliability. Accelerate value from S/4HANA transformation. Align and enhance maintenance strategies before, during, or after S/4HANA implementation to ensure clean, optimized asset data flows into the new system. This reduces rework speeds up deployment, and maximizes ROI from digital transformation initiatives.